Hey there, YouTube. Welcome to Sierra's Travels, the Sandy and Jorge edition. Today we are showing you a room tour of room 669 at the TWA Hotel, located at JFK Airport in Queens, New York. Here we go. Touchless entry. So this is a deluxe king room. Full disclosure, this is not the room that we booked. We booked a executive king suite with a runway view. However, most of their runway view rooms are not completed yet. So upon arrival, even though this was booked like 3 months in advance, we got here and they had no room for us. So they put us in this room. It's a nice room, but there's no runway view, and we're not sure how this affects the money that we already paid. So it definitely was not a good start to our experience here. We stayed here on their third night of operations, and they still definitely have some kinks to work out. So when you walk in the room, on the right you have the mini bar, water, alcohol, soda, beer. None of it is free, and if you'd like to see the price list, you can visit their website at the TWAHotel.com/minibar. Mind you, if you open this mini bar and you take out an item, after 30 seconds you will be charged for that item. Keep that in mind. Okay, next to that we just have a series of hooks for your coats, robes, and things like that. There is no closet. On the left we have the bathroom. Comes with soap, shampoo, and conditioner. Very large towels. But that's about it in the way of amenities. This is very well lit though. Nice bathroom. Definitely feels brand new. Okay, over here we have a counter. There's no garbage cans, so if you do have garbage, you can place it on this mat here, and room service will take it away when they come to clean. There is a basket of delicious goodies here. None of it is free, but the prices are available on the website. There are some TWA pencils, super cute. I think these are free. They give you a bunch of them, so if you'd like to take one as a souvenir, go right ahead. There is no hotel book that gives you a breakdown of all the amenities and phone numbers and whatnot. So like we needed ice, but we didn't know how to get said ice. It turned out to be a 30-minute ordeal while we waited for someone to bring us ice, as there is no ice machine on this floor. So it's a work in progress. Aesthetically, it's a very beautiful hotel. They really kept to the 1960 details, like this adorable rotary phone here and this really nice chair. They really kept with the TWA color scheme, the red and the white. You'll see a lot of that everywhere. The bed was very comfortable. We had a king-size bed. There are chargers on both sides of the bed and lamps. And there's a really nice giant, 55-inch TV. However, I can't say that it always worked, because last night it worked, but today it did not. So the main draw to this hotel is supposed to be the views. Like I said, they were unable to accommodate us with the runway view room that we booked. So instead we were booked in a room with a view of the TWA Center. It's a nice hotel. It's beautiful, but it's a work in progress. Let's say you wanted to visit, but you couldn't stay, you could go up to the rooftop bar and pool and check out the runway while you sipped on a cocktail or had lunch. However, on day 3 of operations, that was still not open. So I can officially say that there was no way for us to get a view anywhere of the runway or see the planes take off during our stay here. That was extremely disappointing, and I'm not too sure if I would return because of that. Okay, so on the right of the main entrance, I don't know if you guys can see that aircraft there. That's Connie. She is a former TWA aircraft that has been turned into a bar. Really, really cute idea. It's very nice inside. You can go in, sit down as long as you like, have a drink, have a snack. Super, super cute. Behind Connie, as this is an operational hotel, is the JetBlue terminal. So if you're booking a JetBlue flight, very easy access to get there. The parking lot across the way belongs to Terminal 5. Parking is not free with this hotel. You would have to valet or park in the long-term or short-term lots provided by the airport. So if you're coming to this hotel from the air train or from the terminals, you have to walk through the entire JetBlue terminal to get here. So when you get out of the air train, you continue to follow signs for Terminal 5, and then eventually you will see more signs for TWA Hotel. You might feel like you went in the wrong direction, but just keep going, follow through all the way to JetBlue, and then you'll start seeing more signs. It is a bit of a walk, so if you have luggage, be mindful. Okay, so overall, like I said, they've put a lot of heart and soul into bringing back the TWA theme of this hotel. The design is beautiful. You definitely feel like you're in the 1960s. It's really, really nice. The details are amazing. That being said, to be ready, to not be ready for your opening, to not have rooms available and to not inform people that these rooms are not available was very, very disappointing. In addition, there's only one open restaurant, and the restaurant works on reservation only. And the reservations are all booked. So if you get here and you have a hotel room, but you don't have a reservation because, flight delays or something, you might be out of luck if it's too late because they will not seat you. There is a departure hall with more of like a fast food kind of thing. That's open till about 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. Other than that, you might have to consider leaving the airport to get food. So while I'm still not entirely sure whether or not I would stay here again, I would definitely recommend if you are passing through and you want to see all of the TWA memorabilia or see Connie the airplane bar, come on over. It's beautiful. It's a nice quick thing to visit. And will leave you with a nice, warm, nostalgic feeling. If you're going to stay here, I personally would recommend waiting several more months before you book a stay, but let them get their affairs in order. Okay, YouTube, that's all. Have a great day.